This is a 2014 Acura MDX Advanced Tech package. There are 6 cylinders, 3.5 liters, and the CARFAX report shows no history of being involved in any accidents or having any damage reported. You can view the CARFAX report by visiting www.onyxautosales.net. It is a power lift gate. This car is also all-wheel drive. This seats 7, and if you don't need the back 2 seats, the third bench folds down nice and flat. I'll zoom in so you can see the rims and the tread on the tires. The interior is a gray leather. To access the third row, you just push this button here. The seat pulls forward. Here's the third row. The leather is in excellent shape. This is the middle row. There's no rips, stains, or tears anywhere. You can entertain your rear passengers with this extra large DVD screen. They also have their own climate control, as well as the middle bench has heated seats. There are no caution or warning lights on. There's your traction controls. You do have blind spot monitoring, and then seat memory, power locks, power windows. There's your steering wheel controls. That gives you distance, lane distance keeping, and then also lane assist. And there's your cruise control. That screen is where your backup camera and your navigation is when you're not using the DVD. Here we go. There's your navigation. Dual climate controls. There's your other controls you need to use for the navigation. Pair your phone. There's where the DVD goes. And then down here you have auxiliary USB and your 12 volt. And then I'll show you what the front seats look like. This is the passenger seat, and then there's the driver's seat. If you're looking for an all-wheel drive vehicle to travel around in, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this Acura MDX out for a test drive. We are located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle from Onyx and you will drive away with a smile and a full tank of gas. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!